What it do? There's crew. D-A-Z. There's team stand up.
What it do, flight crew? FTC. Flight team stand up.
You ain't nothing but a broke boy, broke motherfucking boy, bro.
What's good with it, family, man? It's your boy Dez, and we back with another freaking video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day out there, because y'all know me, man. I'm blessed. You know what I'm saying? Blessed by the best. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling wonderful, man. Every day I get to wake up, man. Y'all already know, man. I'm blessed, man. You blessed in some way. If you can wake up every day, if you done woke up every day this far, bro, you blessed, bro. Because we done been through a lot. We done been through a lot, bro. I know you probably done been through a lot in your life, and you still get to wake up, bro. You still get to see life, bro. That's a blessing in itself. But anyway, family, man, today is Valentine's Day, man. So I hope you guys get a chance to spend time with your boo, you know what I'm saying? Your loved ones, people you love the most. Because it ain't really just catered to, like, just those in relationships, like, you know what I'm saying, intimate relationships. It could be relationship with your mom, your grandmom, your sisters, your brother, whatever the case may be, bro. Just spend time, whoever your Valentine is, bro. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you love them, you know what I'm saying? Whatever the case may be, bro. Right now, for me, man, we kind of snowed in down here in, you know what I'm saying, down south. So, I don't really look like I'm going to be doing too much and nothing, you know what I'm saying? I got a little, you know, a little boo thing or whatever, but kind of look like I ain't going to be moving around nowhere. I ain't going to be getting out going to dinner nowhere, because, you know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't looking too good down south, man. I ain't gonna lie, right now it's like 10 degrees outside, and I sure ain't trying to get out. I'm cold right now. Sitting in the house, goddamn. No, I'm gonna be cold out there, so I ain't. Well, hey, gotta tell my sweetheart, I'm gonna see you later on, sweetie, you know. I'm gonna holler at you. No, I can't do it today, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just gotta be like that, bro. You gotta be like that sometimes, bro. Like, man, I'm on my NBA Youngboy shit today, man. I ain't going outside today. No, sir, ski. But anyway, family, man, y'all see the freaking title of this video, man. How to clear up acne within 3 days to a week, the natural way. Just the idea of it seems so far-fetched, man. It seems so impossible. You done tried everything. You done tried all the creams. You done tried the proactives, the shea butters. You done tried literally everything, and nothing just won't work for me. Let me tell you, man. I got something for you. First off, let me tell y'all a little something about me, right? Y'all know I promote like a plant-based, a health-based diet, you know what I'm saying? No processed food, no meats, no dairy, no eggs, none of that. And I also promote smooth skin, you know what I'm saying? I always come on that thing, man, skin smooth. You already know, man, skin smooth as a baby bottom. You already know. Y'all know I promote this, man. I do this. And I'm gonna just go ahead and lay it out there, man. What a lot of people really just fail to understand is that, like, the reason that I have smooth skin is based off what I put into my body, right? Y'all do know this, bro. I'm giving y'all the gem. I'm dropping the gem on you right now, bro. My smooth skin is only a reflection of the things that I put inside my body, bro, inside my temple. This is the first thing that I really want to get you to understand. It's really like the only major thing that I feel like you should know about my smooth skin. That's the truth about it. Is I eat pure food. I consume pure products. I drink water. I said all that to say people don't really just even think about or consider the fact of the things that we consume internally on a day-to-day basis will be a reflection of who we are externally and what you see externally. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, you gotta think, bro. Man, we drinking, we smoke cigarettes, you know what I'm saying? We eat candy and cakes and things of that nature. We consume all these things on a day-to-day basis, and we think they have no effect on us. We think that by doing these things, bro, there is no consequence behind it. Like, bro, my body good, you know what I'm saying? You'll say my body good, I'm still feeling good, I'm still healthy. And you know what I'm saying? You feel like there's no consequences behind your wrongdoings. I'm talking about you feeling like Iron Man. You feel like nobody can't stop you. Can't nobody touch you. All your wrongdoings. You feel like you just can't be touched. But for sure, eventually, what's done in the dark comes to the light within due time. So be prepared. Anyway, family, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this thing up. I know I'm taking a little bit too long to get to the point, so I'm gonna just go ahead and shoot to it. I'm gonna just give y'all just a little story on, you know what I'm saying, just like a little cheat day I just had previously. If y'all don't know, man, I eat fairly like a clean diet, bro. A diet rich in leafy greens, fruits, legumes, you know what I'm saying, beans, you know, things of that nature, bro. I eat fairly a clean diet. I really don't eat too much processed food. I don't eat out too much. Fairly a clean diet, bro. Like, I'm fairly clean. But, you know, some days, just like all of us, bro, all of us have those days, bro, where we vulnerable. So, it was like a cheat day for me. I end up eating like some Chinese rice. I end up like overloading on beans and just like overly acidic things, bro. And, I noticed, you know, like I said, I fairly have a clean face, bro. My face be fairly clean, you know. And I noticed, like, after I participated in these things, after I ate that big plate of Chinese rice, and you know, things happen, bro. I end up getting acne on my face, just a little bit of acne on my face. Got a little bit on my forehead. Got a little, you know, got some where typically where acne is, like on the jawline, along the jawline, and things of that nature. Got a little, you know, and you know, I noticed it. I know what it was. I know exactly what it was. And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna just show y'all a couple pics. But let me show y'all a couple pics of what I mean, right? So now that y'all pretty much see like my acne and, you know what I'm saying, where it is now, that's how I look right now at this current moment right now, up close. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna show y'all I ain't gonna go all up in the camera, but yeah, that's how I'm coming right now. And the thing is, bro, I know the cause of it, so I know how to get rid of it, you know what I'm saying, ASAP, because I'm used to having clear skin, bro. That's me, bro. You see my jawline, you know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Boy got a face like Tyrese, you know what I'm saying? I got a jawline like Tyrese. Alright, man, since y'all pretty much like see what my face look right now, you know what I'm saying, currently, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when I actually get back on diet, get back on schedule with my diet, drinking a whole lot of water, flushing all that stuff out, cause pretty much what all that stuff is, all those pimples and whiteheads, blackheads and things like that, it's just toxins just coming out your face from things you consume, some you may have consumed. That's just pretty much what it is, just to break it down and, you know what I'm saying, the pretty much simplest terms. So I'm gonna show y'all within 3 to 5 days how those whiteheads gonna simply disappear on this clean diet that I'm finna get back on, bro. On my routine. When I get back on routine, I'm gonna show y'all. So, with that being said, I'ma just be a living testimony, bro. Hopefully this get you to change, you know what I'm saying? But at least you be aware of what's going on. You know what's going on with you. You know what you have to do. So, with that being said, we're gonna get to it, bro. I'm gonna see y'all within the next 3 to 5 days, bro. I'm gonna let you know. I might keep y'all up on, you know what I'm saying? I might update y'all within the 3rd day, but 5 days max. Watch. Everything gonna clear up, gonna be gone, period. Boom, gone. I'm not saying that this may work for everybody. It may not work for every single body, but I'm gonna just show y'all like what works for me, and hopefully you can try to incorporate this within your own life. You know what I'm saying? Because I know for sure it's gonna work, bro. No doubt about it. No doubt, no question in my mind. And like I said, I know the cause of it, so I can just go ahead and just rule out everything. I can just go ahead. Come on now, I know what's going on. So 3 to 5 days, but I'm gonna update y'all on the 3rd day. The 5th day, I'm gonna show y'all the final on how my face looking. I'm gonna do before and after pics of how my face looked before and how my face looked after I got back on routine. You know what I'm saying? Simple as that, bro. I'm just gonna get right into it, man. Let's get it. All right, now, family, man, we midway through this 5-day challenge, man. The third day, man. It's only been 3 days, you know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all these before pics, and I'm gonna show y'all these pics of me now on the 3rd day. Just already, man. Already, just the progress I've made so far. I'm telling y'all, bro, it's magic. It's magic. And now that y'all kind of like seen like the comparison from the 1st day or before the challenge to now, I'm gonna just let y'all know, man. I ain't doing nothing, bro. I'm not doing anything extra but eating. Bro, I'm eating food. That's it, bro. I'm eating. I told you, bro. I'm back home. I'm not putting no creams on my face, bro. I'm not doing anything extra, bro. My face is not oily, none whatsoever, bro. I got smooth buttercream skin, bro. Like straight up. None extra. I ain't putting no oils, no Vaselines, none of that, bro. No lotions, none of that, bro. I'm telling you. Simple as that, man. But we're gonna jump to day 5, man. I'm gonna show y'all what I look like on day 5. I wonder what I'm gonna look like. I'm curious to know how I'm coming so far. I wonder how I'm gonna look on day 5. I might look like, you know what I'm saying? I might be a piece of butterscotch. I might be some butter pecan ice cream. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we never know. But we gonna see, bro. I'm gonna see y'all on day 5.
Final round. Fight.
Alright now, family, man, we on the 5th and final day of this challenge, man. You know what I'm saying? We made it all the way through, man. We living, we breathing, you know what I'm saying? We you know what I'm saying? Come on now. We 5 days in, man. My skin 5 days smoother, you know what I'm saying? It's 5 days in smoother. Ooh wee. It feel like a ooh wee. You know what I'm saying? It feel like a ooh wee. But nah, dog, bro. I'm gonna show y'all these pics of how my face look 5 days from now, or 5 days prior to now, bro. 5 days, just 5 days, and just 5 complete days, bro. I'm gonna show y'all how my face look, and I'm gonna let you guys do. I'm gonna let you guys make the comparison. Tell me what you see. And like I said, guys, I contribute my health and vitality, my smooth skin, my strong black thick hair to a whole food plant-based diet. I really don't know what else to tell you, bro. I do not know what else to tell you, like, bro. This is the only thing I do. Like I said, I don't use no facial creams. I don't put no mask or nothing on my face, bro. My smooth skin is naturally smooth because of what I put in my body. Essentially, that's what it comes down to. And on top of drinking enough water. You gotta drink you enough water. You got to, man. The body cannot function optimally without water, bro. So you gotta make sure you drink your H2O for sure. And the thing is, I'm not even necessarily telling you to adopt a plant-based diet. I'm not telling you. I'm not endorsing anything on you. All I'm pretty much saying is you just need to eat a little better. That's it. And drink a little water. That's all I add. You know what I'm saying? That's all. It's on you though. It's on you as a whole though. It's on you. Drink a little water, eat a little better, and your skin can improve. That's all I'm telling you. Because all in all, I know what it's like, bro, to come from a background that pretty much like, you know what I'm saying, we grow up eating what we want, bro. Like me, for example, bro, I grew up eating chips, drinks, fast food all the time, bro. Honey bun, all type of cakes and cereals and all type of stuff. But, you know what I'm saying, it's just me, I had to wake up, bro. I had to change my perspective on food and just the things I consume. And this is what we need essentially to function the way we need to do, you know what I'm saying, the way we need to function, bro. How we need sleep, how we need rest, you know what I'm saying, exercise, all that type of stuff. I just know better now. I hope you guys understood, and I hope you guys could incorporate some of the things that I, you know what I'm saying, that I pretty much implanted in this video to your own life. I hope it helped, you know, I hope it helped, bro. I hope you at least got like a, you know what I'm saying, something out of this video, just something. But yeah, man, I'm wrapping that thing up, man. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure y'all hit the freaking subscribe button below. Also, hit the notification bell to get notified for whenever your boy Desmo drops. Hit the like button if you like the freaking video, man. Hey, I'm just here to be a big brother to you, man. Like a brother to you, man. You know, that's it. But your boy signing out, man. I'ma holler at y'all in the next video, bro. Holla at you. Your boy Desmo out in 3, 2,